Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start in the app, open Google Pay and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Once done, go straight to Settings. You need to prove it's you, so have your Google account password or phone ready for verification. Make sure your device is online and that you remember the current 4 to 6-digit PIN, because changing the PIN requires confirming the old one. This step prevents unauthorized PIN resets and protects your payment methods. Once in Settings, tap Authentication or Privacy and Security. Labels vary by version. Then choose Change PIN. Google will verify your identity, so follow prompts to enter your Google password or accept a verification code sent to your phone. Next, the app asks for your current PIN to authorize the change. Type it carefully. After that, enter your new PIN and then confirm it by entering it again. This two-entry step prevents typos and ensures you set the PIN you actually intend to use. Confirm the change, and then test by performing a small action that triggers PIN entry. This ensures the new code works. If you do not remember the old PIN, follow the app's account verification flow. That usually sends a code to your phone or asks for your Google account credentials, or contact Google Pay support if verification fails. Finally, keep the PIN private and make sure screen lock, and if available, biometric unlock, are enabled to reduce risk of unauthorized use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.